Bubble photos, I'm going to look to edit. So I'm going to try some basic edits in my phone. And let's see, which one do I want to go for? I'll look and see what's nice and close up. That will do. So press edit. And see what I can do just on the phone itself. I've got colours there, so I can make it vivid, warm, cool, dramatic. Black and white. Exciting. So yeah, that vivid cool looks all right. Is there anything else that I can do on here? So I'm going to press that and see what it will give me. So I've got exposure. I can make it lighter, darker. What's this one? Brilliance. Obviously, I'm just using an iPhone. If you're on an Android phone, it will be something similar, but slightly different to this. Okay, so these are all just things that make it light or dark, really. I quite like that contrast with it being really dark in there. What's this one with the colour? Saturation, vibrance, warmth, tint, don't know. So I'm trying a bit of everything at first just to see what happens there. I think I'm okay with that. So let's see, done, and that's saved like that. Okay, so what I could also do is I could try a different photo editing app as well. So I'm going to try Photoshop Express. I've not used it for a while, so let's hope it opens. And let's see, which one can I do? You can see my previous edited one there. I'm going to try one of these ones that's quite dark, that's still got colour, because I might be able to lighten it up a bit. So what can I do in Photoshop Express? I think it's got settings like these that I could use. Oh, that's interesting, inverted. Into, that's just taking it back to normal. It's got rid of the red cast. Not too keen on those. I'll just go back to, no, I don't want that. Go back to normal. What else do these do? So let's see. Maybe I'll try one of these that's called light. Oh, right, okay, that's a bit more interesting. Okay, so I might go with that. Let's see what these do. Overlays, blend effects. So, what will the... okay, it's looking a bit too edited there. So it might have some nice blend effects, or it might be just a little bit too extreme. But with all these programs, it's just really worth playing around. Oh, what have I done there? Don't want that. Cancel. Okay, so that was me clicking on one of the paid for things, which I really don't want. Don't want to pay for anything extra on these. And I'll just press on that to save it to my camera roll. And go away. I'm going to check it's appeared in there now. So there we go. It's down there at the bottom. So now I can import that to my Google Classroom.